Nilight 162 LED 2-in-1 lights bar with controller series. Let's take a look together now. Open the box, you can see warranty card and instruction. You can consult us to product issues through the contact information on the warranty card. Includes 2 pieces of 18-inch light bars, a control panel with LED display, a cigarette lighter, and long enough wiring harnesses. Accessories for quick installation, including mounting brackets, screws, suction cups, adhesive to enhance suction cups, and a control panel sticker.